Unlock the power of instant communication by integrating SMS into your applications with Plivo's powerful API. Our journey begins by signing up for a Plivo account, which grants you access to their robust platform and API credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard to locate your unique Auth ID and Auth token. These credentials are your keys to interacting with the Plivo API. Next, we'll prepare to send our first SMS. This involves specifying the recipient's phone number, the sender's Plivo-provided number, and the message content itself. With your credentials and message details ready, we'll make an API request to Plivo. This request instructs Plivo to send your SMS to the intended recipient. Plivo provides comprehensive tools to track message delivery. You can monitor whether your SMS has been successfully sent, delivered to the recipient, or if there were any delivery issues. Integrating SMS functionality is seamless. You can embed this capability directly into your web applications, mobile apps, or any software requiring instant messaging. Imagine sending instant customer support responses, timely appointment reminders, or critical notifications to your users, all powered by Plivo SMS API. Start building smarter communication flows today and discover the possibilities with Plivo SMS API.